You guys just saw we got the 5.3. We're gonna go pick up a 4L80. If I do have a little bit of a lisp, sorry, I just got out of the dentist. Had to get 3 fillings. I'm terrible about teeth. I am in a little bit of a pain. But right now we're gonna go to Harper, Kansas to go pick up a transmission for the old Mustang. And once we haven't started this thing in a while, but of course, fuel level low and the check engine light and the ABS light on. Don't worry about that. But I will be disclosing how much we have spent so far on everything. So stay tuned. Let's just get going. We got to be there at 6 and it's 5:30. So we're a little late. Welcome back, everybody. In today's video, we are finally gonna be putting this old K-member back in. 5.3 is loaded up right here. What we need to do there is get a pressure wash prepped and painted. I got a couple little surprises that I hope look really, really good. I think they will. I'm super excited to do it. But this is a Gen 3 5.3. I think it has 706 cylinder heads, so that's pretty nice. The good old 4L80. Don't know if it's any good. That's my biggest problem. But like I said in the last video, we're gonna be talking about price real fast so everybody can have a good idea of where we are at. So far, the K-member was $350 and that came with the motor mount. Good deal, right? The engine alone was $500. That came fully loaded, wire harness and all. And then we got the 4L80, which was $500 in itself. So I'm hoping that everything's good. There is a warranty on most of everything. So far that is $1,350 that we have deep into this in the project. We sold the transmission for $300. So we sold the catalytic converters for $200. That's $500 back. That pretty much pays for the engine. I do still have the 3.8 chilling here. So whenever that sells, I don't know how much. I'd say $500. That'll pay for the transmission or the K-member, one of the two. But let's get this K-member installed real fast so we can get everything else going. Man, these things get prettier and prettier every time I pull them in this garage. We got the old 5.3 out. Now the time I need to start disassembling everything so we can pretty much prep it properly and get the painting. Guys, this paint job, I feel like it's gonna be super, super nice. So stay tuned here, but let's get to taking everything off the old 5.3. Once you got the engine all pretty much disassembled, I got it all cleaned up. I wire wheeled everything I could to make this as clean as possible. I hit it with some brake clean, pretty much just like your degreaser and stuff like that to pretty much pull all the oil off of everything. For right now, I'm gonna just leave the valve covers on. I'm not gonna paint those just yet, but I want to get the block pretty much nice and ready. And guys, it is a humid one here in Kansas today. So I'm gonna get my flat black, because for this paint job, you need to put a base coat down of just pretty much flat black. And I'll show you guys exactly how it's gonna look. But let's get this thing painted flat black. Once we let the flat black cure, guys, here is the can. If you guys can see, that is what we're doing with the whole engine. This is gonna be a Rust-Oleum color shift. I'm really excited to actually use this stuff. I've seen it so much. I wanted to get something that looked pretty cool, especially under the lighting. Pretty much getting all the different angles. I think this one has, I don't know, I think it's blue, green, yellow, and something else. I don't know what's all in this thing, but once that thing cures, I'm gonna be hitting it with this. I'm super excited. I am really, really excited because just by looking at the can, that is gonna be wicked. So now we'll get this one shaken up and get the painting on the old 5.3. Honestly, this turned out amazing. Not gonna lie, it looks super, super good. I can't wait to see what we do with the valve covers as well. I want to say we're going to keep that the same color. Now we're just going to have to figure out we should paint this probably back to the original silver that it used to be. Man, I can't stop looking at it. Just looking at the tape. I mean, I want to keep the tape for some reason. The tape looks cool. This whole thing, it just looks really dialed in. You guys can see that whole chameleon look going on here. When this thing actually hits the sunlight, ooh, it's going to look super, super good. So now pretty much all we got to do, I mean, we could just put the engine in, you know, and just really just say it's getting close. But we gotta get the transmission out. I would need to make sure everything's gonna line up properly. We might need to be swapping out the flex plate, because that flex plate is for a 4L60, and the one we got is a 4L80, which the torque convertibles go from a 3 to a 6, if I'm not mistaken. So it's getting closer, guys. Cam member is in, everything's tightened up like it should. I mean, honestly, I could just throw this engine in, but this engine bay definitely needs painted. What do you guys think? Drop it down below. Should we do the whole engine bay the same thing? You know, flat black and then sparkle it? I think that would look pretty cool in my eyes, okay? That would look pretty cool, especially with the whole glitter theme going. Looks pretty saucy, I'm not gonna lie. I just literally can't stop staring at all the sparkles. Guys, on camera, it does not do justice. Like, this looks honestly so freaking cool. Man, makes me want to do cool things to mine, but I'll do it. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. Like I was telling you guys earlier, I did gamble. We went and drove all the way out. Yeah, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's a 6-bolt. But the little 4L80 Turbo Hydro MC4, whatever the hell that means. I just really hope it's good. If not, you guys are going to be seeing me build a 4L80 on the channel, okay? But let's go ahead and get this thing, bad boy out. And pretty much what I want to do as well is check and make sure the drive shaft, if the drive shaft goes in, I should have measured. Guys, if this doesn't go in, obviously I got to get a 4L80 one. So I'm going to move the truck over there because I don't think I'm going to manhandle that. And then let's get this thing unloaded. That wasn't too bad, it just kind of sucked. Okay, now let's do one shot. I really hope this thing just kind of slides in, because that would be so cool. Let's get it. Ow. Alright, here we go. You suck. You suck. Major butts. Alright, we need a drive shaft built. It's fine, it'll be fine, it'll be fine. I don't know what I'm hearing right now. I think. Do I have birds living in there? Oh my Lena. Look, the birds push through here. And there's... Man, birds living in my garage. Free rent. So it's been a couple days. The paint should be good and dry now. It looks so cool how it is. But like I said, guys, we need to paint the head. They just don't look appealing. Everything else looks super good. And all we gotta do is take off the gaskets for the water pump. Those are good to go. And then get everything else ready for mock-up. I wanna say, for this one, I'm just gonna use the long tube headers and try to make it work. If it does, great. If it doesn't, hey, it is what it is. We can always make truck headers work. They're just not as cool. But this is a budget build, guys. So that's the good part. But I want to know what everybody thinks about a 10,000 subscriber giveaway. You know, something small, I don't know. Leave down below what you guys think and we can give away. And I want to see how many of you guys actually watch the video all the way through. So if you are still watching, thank you guys. I appreciate it. You guys are the reason I'm still making these videos after all these years and all my success and everything I've done. So I greatly appreciate every one of you. If you guys want to, if you can figure out when you guys started watching me, put it down below in the comments and let me know if it's been back on the... say the blue Mustang, say the silver Cobra that I bought, or GT, was it the Eclipse? I don't know. You guys let me know down below. And this thing is about to be on the road fairly quickly because I'm taking the foxbody's engine out. The transmission is going in the red car. We're going to hook up the old 6-liter. I just got to get an intake manifold, and I think I'm going to do an electric water pump. I don't know yet. And then I'm doing the Volvo power steering. So it's all electric, so I just got to start getting parts ready. But this car, it's about to be on the road, which I'm so stoked to actually drive it. Guys, you guys seen the foxbody time and time again. Just, give me fits. I don't know if it's something I'm doing, if it's something the car's doing, one of the sensors. I just can't figure it out because I'm just not intelligent enough to, you know, figure that out, I guess. Nothing in the data log showing me anything. It's just, I'm so lost about it. I'm so over the car. I don't like the car. You guys have heard me say this. But this car is so good looking. And I'm so excited to go actually drive this thing for the first time with the VMS wheels. I do need to get to some different front runners. Those are donuts. They don't help. But, yeah, like I said, guys, 10K, you know, subscriber giveaway. You guys let me know what you guys want to see. And then pretty much this thing's going to be ready here in a couple videos. So if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like. Subscribe if you guys are new. And I will see you guys in the next one here shortly. Peace out.